everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share a quick and easy watercolor painting tutorial that's perfect for beginners. Trust me, you don't need to be a pro to create something beautiful with watercolors. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk supplies. You'll need watercolor paints, a set of brushes, watercolor paper, a palette, a jar of water, and some paper towels. Got everything ready? Awesome. Now, let's start with a simple gradient wash. Dip your brush in water and load it up with your first color. Begin at the top of the paper and paint a stripe across, then clean your brush. Without picking up more paint, drag your brush down, letting the color fade naturally. Repeat with different colors if you like, letting them blend softly. Next, let's try some basic shapes. Circles, squares, triangles, whatever you feel like. Load your brush with a generous amount of water and color, then paint your shapes. Notice how the colors spread and blend? That's the magic of watercolor. Alright, now for some fun techniques. Grab some salt and sprinkle it onto a wet painted area. As it dries, the salt will create a beautiful texture. You can also try the wet on wet technique. Wet your paper with clean water first, then drop in some color and watch it spread. For our final piece, let's paint a simple landscape. Start with a light wash of blue for the sky. While it's still wet, add a touch of purple or pink for a sunset effect. For the ground, use greens and browns, letting the colors blend naturally. To add trees, use a small brush and darker greens and browns, making quick upward strokes. Remember, the key to watercolor is to let the water do the work. Don't stress about perfection. The beauty of watercolor lies in its unpredictability. Practice these techniques and you'll see improvement in no time. And that's it. You've just completed your first watercolor painting. I hope you had fun and feel inspired to keep painting. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe for more art tips and tricks. Until next time.